What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. We have some good news. Crew's been busy again, and check it out. Half, just about, of the inversion is up now. Just look at that thing. Again, front entrance is just getting totally transformed. Got the airtime hill there. Turnaround over there. I'm not seeing anything new as far as the bracing up there. Maybe one or two things, that's it. But yeah, this thing looks amazing, especially right around this time. 4 o'clock, the sun's hitting it just right. Beautiful. The work walls that we showed you in our last update, well, they extend over here to the ticket kiosk area. And security was a breeze. Same with parking. Not many people up here at the ticket windows. And I'm thinking at the turnstiles, also not going to be the case. And another thing, we have IAAPA this week. SeaWorld has some sort of announcement in conjunction with B&M. And that's going to be tomorrow, Tuesday, the first actual day of IAAPA. And we're going to be there. So whatever happens, we're going to have all the news. Just look at that airtime hill. Launch section right here looking good. And then again, half of that inversion just about is up. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. It's kind of cool this morning, somewhere in the 60s, but heated up real quick, somewhere now in the 80s. It's November. We don't get winter, and when we do, it's like a week. Front entrance area looking really good again, all the garland and ornaments. Lights are on them now. SeaWorld store has the garland and ornaments. Not bad looking. And of course that giant Christmas tree right there. Not seeing anything too different over here in the front entrance area. As far as decorations, most everything looks to be just about the same as our last update. Hello, Pipeline. Looking awesome. I love the colors. I think it's very SeaWorld. As you notice, they have a lot of blue here at the park. And this is very fitting. Here at the waterfront, we got lights, ornaments, garland, and nutcrackers. Yeah, they're back out again. These guys were here last year and the years before. Good to see them again. This area looks to be just about the same as our last update. Maybe a couple more things of garland and ornaments. And this little kiosk over here for Christmas celebration. Bridge time. And yeah, SeaWorld's Christmas celebration is going on for weekends. We can see the sea of trees lit up right now. They're doing a little bit of a test, but that's not why we're here. That's why we're here. Pipeline. So again, just about half of that inversion is up. We do have more supports on the ground over by the crane, and I'm expecting that they are going to be doing quite a bit of work of that in the next day or two. So my guess, probably in the next 2-3 days, by the end of the week at least, that inversion is going to be all done. And then they're going to move to the high-speed turns. It wouldn't feel like a pipeline update without construction ducks. Yeah, they're here. Another look at the sea of trees and Sky Tower, and I am having some of the worst luck, guys. I don't know what to say. The ride's not in operation today. Haven't even seen it go once. I don't know, maybe another time. Over here, Christmas on Ice had its first showing this past weekend. Crowds love it. I love it. It's one of my favorite ice skating shows ever. Icebreaker doing its thing, thrilling all the guests. And from the exit, we can get an awesome view of Pipeline. Just look how wavy that thing looks.
Thrill seekers, please remember to down onto the lap harness. With mats in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in the U-bar and feet are under the shin pad. Be sure personal items do not interfere with the harness system. Ride on Icebreaker. Keep your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times. Back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding.
Well, those were some pretty awesome views of all the construction, but I know of a better way to get better views. How about the drone? Let's do that now. views from the drone are amazing. It's also amazing are all the lights over here. We have Rudolph's little meet and greet area over here. More lights, a stage, Christmas tree over here, and I believe the Christmas store is now open. Indeed, indeed. It looks to be open. Don't see any signage just yet saying Christmas store, but this is it. Don't stop believing. Santa right there. Got photo frames, mugs, blankets, hoodies, everything Christmas you can think of, they're gonna have it in here. Ornaments. Let's go over here. Nutcrackers, signs, candles, cookie trays. SeaWorld shirt right there. Looks like it has gingerbread and peppermints and all that. That's kind of neat. And let me see. Yep, nothing on the back. More signage over here. Candles, ornaments. That's something you stick into a light socket or electrical outlet there, and it powers on. It lights up, I'm sure. Got Bumble globes, penguins. More trees. Again, there's a lot of items here inside this shop. I know I'm skimming through them really quickly. You get the idea. There's Rudolph. Some plush toys, more ornaments, wreath, plush Santa, almost like a Squishmallow. In fact, I don't know if it is. I don't think it is. Nope, not a Squishmallow. Pens are over here. We got Bumble. Other Christmas items there. More Rudolph shirts, onesies. You could look like a Rudolph. It's kind of cute. More plushies. And that's about going to do it for the Christmas store. Glacier bar, looking festive. I know I called it the ice bar last time. I'm sorry, SeaWorld. Don't kill me. And then all this area over here set up for Rudolph again. It's like a story, so you press the buttons, it'll tell you about what's going on. And it looks like we have character meet and greets over there, and I see Bumble! Yes, indeed. There's Bumble and Rudolph. Hey, where's my RV? I know it was missing in the last update, still not here. Want it. Yep, the former ice cream store. It was over here by Infinity Falls. Still has work walls up. I can't see anything different. Still nothing. No idea what's going on, but they're doing something. Over in this area where they were doing a little bit of land clearing, like right over there, well, nothing's changed. Still got the boat over there too. Infinity Falls is in operation. And something else I kind of left out in the last video, Waterway Grill, where they had the annual pass holder area. Well, if you scan your pass 3 times between now and say December, they're gonna give you a front of the line access to Pipeline. So highly encourage it. They're open 12 to 4. Waffle Wonderland. Remember, this used to be an interactive area with games and seating, and now it's a waffle station. So they have different ones, as we can see. Monte Cristo. They have a Jolly Strips, bacon, covered in chocolate, it looks like, and then they have a chicken and waffle handheld. It's got a little spice to it. They got some peppers on there. You can see these are the prices: $12.99 for the chicken and waffles, Monte Cristo, $10.99, and the Jolly Strips are $9.99. They have a sleigh ride, which is a non-alcoholic drink. Nautilus Theater area. Still have some of the nativity areas over here, it looks like. And in our last update, we incorrectly said something, and that was Oh Wondrous Night was not having shows. Well, that's wrong. They are. Also by the Nautilus Theater is a great view of Pipeline. Check that out. Mako! It's currently showing a 5-minute wait. They're running 2 trains today, so they're pumping out all the guests. It's pretty much a walk-on. Gotta love that. This area has finally reopened. Brand new awning, and paint. We can get a better view of that train set that was in our last update. It's kind of weird that the train sets have been moved. I mean, it was over there, over by Bayside Stadium for the longest time, and now it's over here. Another food booth over here, Sugar Plum Delights. And while I'm going to show you them, I'm not going to go into too much detail because we were invited out by SeaWorld for the media event coming up this weekend. So we will show you Christmas celebration in full detail. And that's a bit different. We have a stage over here. Great backdrop though. Lights are on over here. Whole area by Shark's Underwater Grill looks awesome. They have trees up over here as well. Area looks pretty nice. Can't wait for the weekend. Holly Jolly cookies and cocoa. And then Treat Your Elf. Some more food items. Again, we're going to go into detail much more in our Christmas celebration video. We're over here by Voyagers, and that means Sky Tower right there. Again, unfortunately, not in operation today. Couldn't tell you why, but it did reopen. In fact, it was open during our last update, but as you heard, I just missed out on it. Work walls are still up over here for whatever reason. New garland and lights on the poles over here. I just wish I could get on that thing. Another Christmas celebration food booth over there. 'Tis the Season beignets. And of course we cannot forget the best show ever, Elmo's Christmas Wish, here at Seaport Theater. More stages. This one over here by the waterfront. Not sure what it's for, other than maybe somebody playing a violin or trumpets. I have no idea. We'll find out soon. Yep, just like what we thought, this area that used to be for a photo opportunity spot during Halloween with sirens is now a photo opportunity spot with Santa. That's right, photos with the big guy himself right here. You already know what time it is. Pink chicken time, yeah. How you doing, guys? Some of you look sleepy. Others are doing a little grooming. And a couple over here are having a social gathering. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. We do have some sort of announcement tomorrow at IAAPA via SeaWorld and B&M, so stay tuned for that. Of course, crews were very busy getting about half of the inversion up. It's good to see some progress. Of course, they are going to try to finish that up sometime this week, and we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway. Bye guys.